Namaste, good morning. Welcome to International E-Kata Tournament 2021. We are ready. Are you? This time we are providing the star for our international star in all category first, second, third and joint third. This trophy for the most viewed kata video, and this trophy is for the runner up. Same, the most liked video, this trophy, and runner up will get this one. All the parameters set as the last year, working committee, judge panel, and of course you have to earn the maximum like and view as the last year parameter set by Dennis Gabriel Stephen from Romania. The most view video 4000 plus, and the most like video Muhammad Al Farabi, Indonesia, 600 plus. So you have to break these records to achieve this trophy. Dear friends, I know this is tough time. We are facing this corona pandemic, less or more. But we, the Indians, are facing this problem at the most right now. We have organized this tournament to be active, to do your bit. Keep trying, keep fighting. I would like to dedicate few lines to my Indian associates, friends. ऑफ कोर्स दोस्तों, थोड़ा सा मायूसी का टाइम है, लेकिन फिर भी हो के मायूस ना शाम से ढलते रहिए, जिंदगी भौर है सूरज से निकलते रहिए, एक ही ठाव पे ठहरेंगे तो थक जाएंगे, धीरे धीरे ही सही मगर चलते रहिए। ऊंचे उठना है जो आंसू की तरह, दिल से आंखों की तरफ हंस के उछलते रहिए। ऊंचे उठना है जो, आई वुड लाइक टू चेंज इट, आगे बढ़ना है तो, जिंदा रहना है तो, इन मुश्किल घड़ियों में तो आंसू की तरह हंसकर दिल से आंखों की तरफ उछलते रहिए। I have started receiving your kata videos from India and abroad, of course. Some of coaches have some problems about the courier charges and entry fee. Of course, I have mentioned it already. If you can pay, that's nice. If you cannot, nothing to worry about it. I'm here, your friend, your Virji, the Narendra Chauhan, to help you out. Of course, in this tough time, we have to help each other. As are possible ways. So please feel free to talk to me if you are facing any problem. Not only regarding this tournament. If you are facing any problem in your life, we can talk. And of course, when we talk, we will find the best way to come out of your problem. So, friends, be busy, stay safe, and keep trying your best. I'm waiting for your videos. Nice to talk to you. Thank you.